Well, this is my latest Craigslist find. It's a Husqvarna 22-inch front-wheel self-propelled lawnmower with a Honda engine on it. That Honda engine is the GVC160 engine, and this is the Husqvarna model. It's HU700F, and it's in really good shape. They were selling this, and I'll show you the reason why. They're not only moving, but I don't think they use this very much at all. But it's got a very bent blade on it, and hopefully the engine is not damaged. It doesn't appear to be, but everything seems to be in good shape here. All the cables, the self-propelled. It is a bit dirty, as you can see, but it's got the great Honda engine on it. Let me just show you the blade under here. It's full of oil. And I'll also show you how bad it's scraping. Got a nice Honda engine. This thing is really heavy, but look at this blade. It is really bent bad. Belt seems to be in place. It didn't seem to break the pulley that it's connected to, and I can't tell that the shaft is bent. So this is a very nice lawnmower, and I got a blade for it. It also came with a bag, which has never been mounted on the frame, so it's never been used. I'm not sure they knew how to even mount this, but I will mount that on there. And they didn't have the paperwork, but I printed it out today so I could have the correct part numbers to get this blade today. And it's got a side chute. They've only used this for mulch, so the bag and the side chute's never been used. So I'm hoping this blade will fit. This lawnmower was bought at Lowe's, but they didn't have the part number, but they had a replacement blade. It looks like it's correct. So let's see if we can mount this up. But first I'll show you how bad it's hitting under there. I'm going to pull the spark plug off because I do not want this thing to start at all. But it has really got a god-awful noise. Now they said they use this, I just cannot hardly believe that. So with that noise like that, can't hardly turn it. But it's a high wheel, rear wheel, very nice, and not a very cheap lawnmower. Let's get this blade swapped and try to give this its start. So the blade came off easy, thank goodness. But look how badly this is bent. My goodness. He said he had hit a root in the yard from a tree. But just look at how badly this is bent. Probably a lot of heat from an acetylene torch will straighten it out, but it'll never balance. And it looks like it's the same as what I got. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. This is not a OEM blade, but it's part number 141114. So let's put that on and give the Honda its first start. Alright, the new blade is on. The belt looks like it's in really good shape here, and this pulley's in good shape, and these pins were not broken that held the blade in. Let's try to give the Honda engine and the Husqvarna lawnmower its first start. Okay, I believe the fuel is on. We got a choke here. There we go. And I did put the spark plug back on. So let's give it a try here. Put the new blade on. Here we go. Got the choke off. May have to put a little carburetor cleaner in here. I heard something. It does have gas in it. this run a bit. We're going to wash this up and make it pretty.